What I've got here is the TopTes combustible gas leak detector. Main features: has a 10-minute auto shut-off device, low battery indicator, low and high sensitivity mode, and a visual display with sound alert. Now inside the box you will get simple detailed instructions describing everything you need to know about this gas detector. Do check out their website for more products and support. Inside the box you will also get a comfortable carry pouch, set of AAA batteries, and the TopTes portable gas detector. Place in the batteries and switch on. Wait for 30 seconds for calibration to pass. And we are ready to test this out. Now I've turned the cooker knob slightly on, releasing the gas for only 5 seconds. The detector is on low. Still detecting that there is gas in the air, gradually fading away. On the high sensitivity settings, it is still detecting that there is gas around, even though I have not placed it on again. So that high sensitivity feature is doing a good job. Let's try on the flame. Now the TopTes gas detector can be used on gas pipes to find any leaks, near the boilers, gas cookers, fireplaces, or even when walking inside a property to test the atmosphere of any potential combustible gas in the air. Guys, having one of these devices at home or carried by yourself is a lifesaver. Take care, peace.